Hi guys, this is John here. In today's lecture, I will show you how to create VR or virtual reality apps using EnablAR. Now, a quick recap. In our previous lecture, we saw how to take a FBX file, which was your 3D model. We put it into a zip folder and then we uploaded it to create an AR app. Now today I'm going to show you how to create a VR app and download it. The process is very simple and straightforward. So let us go ahead. Now here you're in your EnablAR interface. Let me go ahead and click on Home. And here, if you remember, for our AR app, we had clicked on AR. Now here I will click on VR for my VR app. The process is simple. I will select my application name. So I'm going to say John underscore lecture. I'm just going to change the name John underscore VR. Just keep it short and sweet. And if you remember, we had only two 3D models, which we had seen. We had the hand bones 3D model and we had the human body 3D model, which we had zipped here. And just to refresh your memory, we had also seen what not to do, which is the wrong zip files, which was basically do not take the FBX, put it into a folder and zip the folder. We should not do that. Just refreshing your memory. So anyways, let us look at our hand bones and human body. These are our zip files for our FBX. So now I showed you this. Now I will show you how to upload my zip files on EnablAR to make our VR file or VR APK. So I have named my application. My number of models I will select as 2. Let me go ahead and select them. So first I'm going to take the hand bones one. Please make sure that it's the right zip file. And the second one, I will select my human body. So these are the same 3D models that we saw in the previous lecture. And let us go ahead and check if everything is fine and click on submit. The process is fairly straightforward. We wait for it to upload. It takes around 3 or 4 minutes to upload depending on your internet connection, the number of 3D models. So just be patient. So we know that our project has been uploaded successfully. So I will go ahead and click on OK. And then my dashboard shows up where my process is the same. I go first as uploading file, then processing, then building APK, and fourth done. So if you remember from our AR lecture, we had followed a similar process. So let us go ahead and wait until this process gets completed from 1, 2, 3, and 4. And again, I will repeat, if you have a slow internet connection, or it's a good practice that once you reach the building APK phase, keep trying and refreshing every 5 minutes just to make sure that you don't miss it. And another way is you can keep checking your email. So you can actually check both places. So let us wait until this is done. Now that we've reached phase 3 and it's almost 5 minutes since time has passed, I just fast forwarded the time. I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my page. And let me go ahead and click on dashboard. So now you can see that my app is ready. So it can be downloaded. So I click on download. And again, if you remember, on our desktop, we created a folder called EnablAR APKs. So I'm going to name this as John underscore VR and click on save. So it takes some time for it to download. Now, once that it is downloaded on our desktop, we have seen that we have another APK file. Now this is our virtual reality APK. Now what you need to do is you need to take this APK file, copy it on your phone what you need to do is, we've got the APK file downloaded. You need to take this APK file, copy it on your phone. Now, if you're wondering how to do that, if you remember, the process is the same that we followed for our AR APK. So you can go back and view that lecture again, but the process is the same. So you go ahead and copy your APK on your phone, and then you have to install it. This process is straightforward. Just follow that lecture again. Once you have installed your APK, then I will show you in another lecture how to use your VR app. In that, we will also have a controller to use, and I will also show you how to use the VR headset. So I hope this was clear. In today's lecture, we saw how to create your own VR app and download the VR APK or virtual reality APK file using EnablAR. So I will see you guys in the next lecture. Thank you.